What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a special filmer, my girl. Thank you, baby, for helping me film today. But we got some news because the M3, it's down. And the reason why it's down right now is because yesterday, thankfully, before we went out last night, just was trying to leave the house, ended up just trying to disengage the e-brake, and then I hit the brake, and then out of nowhere, all of a sudden I heard a big pop and tried to move the car a little bit forward, and as you can see, ended up getting a bunch of leakage on the street. Yeah, I ended up pulling the car about that far out, and then after that, noticed my brake pedal response was not there. I was going all the way down to the floor, so that was very sketchy, and so I just wanted to see if I could at least stop, so I just pulled it forward. But when I reversed out, that's when I saw the huge pedal. So something must have happened where my brake line must have blew, or maybe even the master cylinder might have gone out. So shout out to Kenny, he's gonna help me out on Monday. But yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. I thought I was gonna be able to do some car stuff this weekend, but unfortunately not. And thankfully, it didn't happen when we were driving, so thank you. And
that would have been really scary.
Yeah, that was scary. So good thing it didn't happen, and you were with me, so I'm glad nothing happened to you as well. We have some big news that we're going to be announcing, working with a company who is kind of really known for their titanium work. So I'm super excited to show you guys what just came in the mail. It's my first part that we're adding to the engine bay. I know on the outside we did a lot of work. You guys know we got the bag suspension, all the carbon pieces, the wheels, all that. But with that being said, time to work on the engine bay because I never popped my hood, and obviously there's a reason. It's completely stock. The only thing I do have done to the car is catless downpipes, and I'm running a tune, but obviously the downpipes you can't see. And then I have my Active Auto Works equal length mid pipe, so that's what gives me my beautiful exhaust note that I truly love. If you guys are interested in doing that, check out my last video. I know I didn't really put too many good clips, so if you want, follow me on IG because I have a lot more just vertical clips, so that's why I never added it into the video because obviously we shoot horizontally. But I'll be posting a lot more clips of my car exhaust note on IG, but I don't know, maybe I can start up and do that, but we'll see. I might create some more side clips for you guys for the YouTube channel. But today we're announcing working with Apex Built. I'm gonna go ahead and put their IG down below. Really excited because these are not only titanium intakes, but they are front mount. So it's something I've always wanted to do to the car. Super excited that they wanted to work with me. And also there's a discount code that I'll be placing down below for you guys to go ahead and obviously make your engine bay beautiful too. Today we're not installing, I just want to do an unboxing for you guys. Obviously I want to see the beautiful artwork because they're all handmade and they're made to order. So when you guys place your order, use my code, and then usually it should take like 2 to 3 weeks, he said, because they are all made to order. So a little different with you holding the camera.
Really?
Yeah, but I like it though. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you guys like this view. I know you guys don't really see me
They like
often.
the view.
Yeah, you know.
No, they don't. Only I do.
Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing for you guys. Just want to give you guys a little update on the M3. Beautiful package just arrived. Super excited, you guys. Super excited. This is one of many companies that I hope to work with in the future. And if anybody got any connects to anybody else, any other companies I want to work, let me know. IG following is growing, so I appreciate everybody who is jumping from IG to my YouTube channel. Thank you for guys for watching, and if you haven't, please subscribe right now. Just go ahead, like
Pause the video.
Yeah, pause it, like the video, and subscribe. Please,
And send it to your
help me
girlfriends
out.
so they can get stuff for you.
Quick on the shipping, so I appreciate everybody at Apex Built. So the cool thing about titanium is the fact that when you're burning it, it starts off as obviously like a silver polished look. The hotter it gets, the different color changes you get. This one's one of their new ones. It's called Blurple or something like that. I'll get the name right now. So very excited to show you guys, and I'm excited to see what it looks like. I've only seen the pictures that they've sent me. Let's get into it. I know I'm talking a lot.
I know. Show the people
I know they want to see. Yeah, it says, Mark, thank you for your support and partnership with us. Enjoy the intakes and welcome to the team. Appreciate it. Thank you guys. This is dope, man. I can't wait to do more stuff. Now, as soon as we were done with this, and when I was talking with them, they actually were talking to me about another part for the engine bay. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned, because I'm gonna end up doing another unboxing video, because it's already being made right now. And again, it's gonna be a matching colorway to these intakes. So that might give you guys a clue, but super excited to show you guys what they look like too. So stay tuned. Okay. Dang, this is dope. They got me a lanyard. Very nice.
They got me a lanyard.
Oh, Jesus. They got us a lanyard.
From Friday.
Yeah. My bike, fool. We got some cool little wristbands. These are dope. Innovation by design.
They got me
Thank
an
you,
air
guys.
freshener, I think.
No, they got me an air freshener. Ooh, they got their Shop M5. Started following his account as well. This thing is sick. Dang, got me two.
It says
I
for
need
your
one
gr-
of
for
you
your
guys.
girlfriend.
I'm gonna need one of these in my car. That'd be sick. And then we got a bunch of decals. Super excited. I haven't bought anything for the M3 in a while, so this is pretty cool. Been missing this feeling of new parts. Oh, damn! Hell yeah! Wow, you guys. So this is gonna be their newest version also for the front mounts. They ended up redesigning them because, as you guys will see, and I'll show you guys, the whole thing isn't full titanium. There's gonna be a lot of rubber parts, but the most important part that you're gonna actually see when you open your engine bay is gonna be in full titanium. Oh my gosh. Look at the welds. I'm gonna unwrap it for you guys right now. But damn. Get you guys some ASMR. Everybody likes these new unboxing videos with all this crunchy noises. And then you guys, because obviously we've got two intakes, we've got some really cool filters. These things are fat. ProRam Performance air filter. Got another one. They're so sick. Yeah, that's the thing. The only other color I would ever see us rocking with a filter would be either, again, this black, or if they had a white one. But you guys know if they were white, they'd probably get so dirty because, again, they're going to be front mounted and all the debris and all that. So black is the way to go. I'm sure we're still going to see it too. Let's open one up. Whew, these filters are fat and they look so nice. And look, ProRam. Got one last box here. Too deep on this box because this is actually going to be the rubber piping.
When do you think you guys will install it?
I don't know. We got to fix the brakes first, see what's going on with that, and then eventually do the install on these bad boys. Came with a little Allen key. Couple more. Ooh. Wow. So these are going to be all the connectors from the rubber piping to the titanium. But obviously we'll go into more detail, but just wanted to show you guys the main parts you guys are going to see on the engine bay are going to be in the titanium, and then the parts that are going to wrap around and come around the front of the car, which you're not really going to see these at all, which is why they ended up doing this rubber just so that when you're trying to finesse it around and work your way to the front of the grill, that you're not going to scratch or mess up any of the piping, and nothing's really going to rub and make noise. So this was a very, very good idea. I know there's a couple other brands that are doing titanium in front mount intakes and their whole piping turns into titanium, but I think this is the best way to go. This isn't the part that you're gonna see, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, we got all the fittings here. Super excited, you guys. Just cannot wait. I gotta open this and show you guys. And then gotta take some photos. You guys will be seeing this on IG. But again, we're gonna make a separate video of the install and definitely get you guys a lot of clips of how it sounds. Oh man, I've never had anything titanium for my car or cars in general, so
Hey, that matches your car.
this is so sick. Dang, you guys, this is so sick. The welds are so good. Not wait, we even got the Apex built logo there, which I'm sure we'll show while it's in the engine bay. Got our O2 sensor slot there. Go ahead and open up the smaller one also. Well done on the packaging, you guys, because especially with such an expensive product, they really take care of the packaging for us. Taking the condom off. All right, and then this is gonna be the other one. This one's much shorter, but again, little O2 sensor slot. Huge piping. I think it's 3.5 inches. Look at this together. I can't wait to show you guys what's coming. That's gonna be matching this exact colorway, so definitely stay tuned. All right, you guys, so yeah, so I double checked. This is the Blurple colorway. Looks so sick. This is gonna look crazy on that gold paint. The front end's probably gonna look so much more aggressive too, with these fat air filters just poking out in the front. Again, use my code. I'm gonna put it one more time. Shout out to Apex Built. Thank you guys so much for the opportunity. Can't wait for the rest to show up, so stay tuned for more. All right, well, there you guys go. Just wanted to give you guys a small little update on the M3. Again, unfortunately, she's down, but I'm sure it's gonna be an easy fix. As far as the YouTube channel, I know I'm very inconsistent with it. Forgive me. Again, I'm still backed up, but I wanted to put this video out first. You guys are going to see some other videos pretty soon of some older content, but this one has to go out. I want to start posting pictures of the products and obviously give you guys updates on what's actually happening with the car as of late. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe. I really appreciate all the support. Everybody that's coming from IG, again, thank you. My IG's been blowing up, which is great. Just trying to have that happen with the YouTube channel. If you guys can share the video, that'd be great. I might be posting only certain stuff on the YouTube channel just to kind of see that you guys are more here rather than on IG. Just appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.